Hey. So I didn't plan on talking about this today, but I had to share something I recently found, because it honestly gave me so much clarity. It's called Blast Proof, David's Shield, and it's a survival guide, but not the scary, doomsday kind. It's more like a calm, step-by-step way to prepare yourself and your family for when things go wrong. I've always felt a little nervous thinking about power outages or disasters, like, what would I actually do? This guide gave me answers I didn't even know I needed. It walks you through how to live without relying on technology, like how to store food and water, stay warm, and stay connected without power. And it's all done through this really peaceful, faith-driven lens. What makes it different is the way it combines biblical wisdom, practical survival tips, and even ideas from the Amish way of life. That mix honestly just clicked with me. It doesn't throw a bunch of expensive tools at you. It actually teaches you how to make smart decisions with what you already have. I went through it in one weekend, and now I feel so much more in control. Not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually too. It's also super affordable, which was a nice surprise. Honestly, I think it's something every household should have on hand, especially with how uncertain the world feels lately. If you're even thinking about being more prepared, start here. It's not extreme, it's empowering. And it might just give you the peace of mind you didn't know you needed.